You might get hurt up here.
Ted,
Yes?
I wanted you to know now I'm very proud.
Tell him the gear is down and we're ready to land.
The gear is down and we're ready to land.
All right, he's on final now. Put out all runway lights except Niner.
Captain, maybe we ought to turn on the searchlights now.
No. It's just what they'll be expecting us to do.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
All right, now just listen carefully. You should be able to see the runway at 300 feet. Aim a touchdown a third of the way along. Slight crosswind from the right, so be ready for it. If you land too fast, use your emergency brakes. Red handle's right in front of you. If that doesn't stop you, cut the 4 ignition switches over the co-pilot's head. You see us now? You should be able to see the field now.
Sure is quiet out there.
Yeah, too quiet.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
There it is.
There he is. Stryker, you're coming in too fast.
I know.
He knows!
It's below 700 now, still going down. 675, 650, 625. He's holding. He said, no, he's down.
Sound your alarm bell, now.
All right, now, everybody, get in crash position.
Put down 30 degrees of flap. All right, now listen to me. Remember your brakes and switches. Get ready to flare it out.
He's all over the place. 900 feet up to 1,300 feet. What an asshole.
More left rudder. Put down more flap.
Just kidding.
Stryker, lift your nose. Straighten your wings. Coming in too fast. Watch your speed.
He's coming right at us!
Coming in too hot. Ease up on the throttle. Watch for that crosswind. Level it out. Aim for the numbers. Not to dip your left wing. You're drifting. Keep your eyes on the far end of the runway. You're too low, damn it! Watch your stall speed. Flare out! These are down! Down! The brake! Pull the red handle!
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Flight 209 now arriving gate 8. Gate 9. Gate 10.
Push a button!
Gate 13. Gate 14. Gate 15.
Ariel, look behind Return! It's a twister!
Gate 23. 24. 25.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Stryker, you all right?
Yeah. We're okay.
Ted, that was probably the lousiest landing in the history of this airport. There's some of us here, particularly me, who'd like to buy you a drink and shake your hand. And Ted, I just want you to know that when the going got rough,
Okay, all right, have a nice
nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for flying Trans-American.
Loneliness, that's the bottom line. I was never happy as a child. Christmas, Ted, what does that mean to you? To me, it was a living hell. You know what it's like to fall in the mud and get kicked in the head by an iron boot? Of course you don't. No one does. That never happens. Sorry, Ted, it's a dumb question. Skip that.
Hey, okay, there you go. Have a nice day.
Municipal bonds, Ted. I'm talking AA rating. The best investment in America.
Well, I'll give him another 20 minutes. But that's it.